do what you love, follow your passion. So whatever you love and that is what you do, then it is going to be awesome and you are going. Hello everybody, I am Swati Gupta and today I'm going to share my journey of my profession, which is teaching. So a lot of parents and my students keep asking me, ma'am, please share how exactly you went into the profession. And so today is a talk just for them exclusively. And so it's a very cute story of my choosing my profession as teaching. So just like normal other children, like after college, we decide that okay, let's go for interviews, and that is what I did. I went for interviews, got selected, went into a corporate job, worked for 1 year, but it simply did not excite me that much. Though it was my first job, I wanted to give my best. I wanted to show everybody that yes, I am something, but it simply did not make me feel satisfied, excited, or yeah, that is my calling, or this is what I'm going to do throughout my life as my career. So I and my mom were like best of friends, like I can't tell you how important was my mom for me. I'm sure it's for everybody. I mean, there's no doubt about it. So I used to keep telling Mama that Mama, like I do my job, I like my job, but I think I want to do something else. I want to, I want to explore something else. I want to do something for myself. I want to do something where I feel happy and content. So that's when my mom was like, yeah, please feel free, Swati. I am with you. I am there for all the decision you make. And see, so that's when I decided, and that's when we decided, I and my mom, that okay, let's explore some teaching courses. So yeah, so when we were exploring those teaching courses and I enrolled myself, I was super excited that I'm doing something different from my regular job. So yeah, that's the time when I quit my job, and of course I did my educational course. And during the time when I was doing my course, I don't know what, but it made me feel so happy. It made me feel so content. I was enjoying child psychology. I was enjoying philosophy. I was enjoying all the subjects which I was learning. And I was having a stupendous time. I was having a fun time. The colleagues, the friends, the teachers, everybody were like just superb. They were like, always made me feel super happy and all that. And the best part was my internship. So where we had to actually teach the children. So before that it was more of theory knowledge. This was the time where actually I had to discover and I had to understand whether I'm really fit, because I might be a good learner but I might not be a good teacher. So yeah, so that was the time I had to prove and I had to do something for myself. And when I actually did that, I was so close to the children. In that 1 month of my internship, I was like I became so attached to them. I became their good friend, and that's when I knew that yes, that is my calling and that is what I should do for myself. And now it's like 10 years and I am still teaching. So of course now by now you all know that yes. So that was my journey from a corporate leaving and then joining a teaching job. And now it's like I have taught in numerous international schools, and now I'm a founder of my own website, which is a2z.com, a2z.com. So yeah, so then now I want to also share the 5 takeaways of my life which made me a different person, which made me, I actually started learning by that. So those are the 5 takeaways which I strongly believe in myself. So the first is I strongly believe that the parents are your definitely best friends. They are the people whom you can really trust. They are the people who can think best for yourself. Like my mom, she was just like a role model, and she understood me and gave her hand so that I can choose the path for what I am right now. So yeah, so listen to your parents. Secondly is I strongly feel that we should practice on whatever we are doing. Keep practicing till you achieve something, till you achieve perfection. And I still believe that perfection is always yet to achieve. So we should keep practicing and keep enhancing our knowledge, what we have. The third very important thing, which is actually teaching, that is sharing is caring. Knowledge, how much you teach, that it increases manifold times. So sharing is caring is like it's something which is a takeaway of my life. And the fourth very important thing is don't stop learning. Like, age is not a criteria. There was a time where I felt that, oh wow, I'm having a career of my own, I'm doing a corporate job, and if I would have stopped learning, I would have not been a teacher. So yeah, and a very cute story I have, which about 3-4 days back, there was a lady who was 78 years old called me and said that, hello Swati, I want to learn English. And I was super thrilled. I was like, oh really, you're 78 years old? And that really motivated me. That made me feel that yes, what is my takeaway is actually true. Age is no bar for learning, and yes, that is a fact. And the last but not the least, my favorite takeaway, that do what you love, follow your passion. So whatever you love and that is what you do, then it is going to be awesome, and you are going to do a great justice to what you do. And with that, I am so these are the 5 takeaways of my life. Hope you like the video, and if you do like, please do comment and let me know if it's relatable, and if I had made any difference to your thought process, I would be really happy to know how. So thanks for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye, and happy learning.